Don't hang up. A story in slow English.
It's so quiet today. I love this beach. A phone? Whose phone is this? Hello?
Please! Please don't hang up! I need help!
Who is this? Where are you?
I am in the water. I can't swim back. The waves are too big.
I don't know you. Is this a joke?
It's not a joke. I called my friend. That is his phone. I am in the water. Please look.
Oh no, I see you. I see your hand.
Yes, that's me. My name is Ben. I'm so cold. My arms are tired.
There's no one here. What do I do?
Don't go. Please stay on the phone. Don't hang up.
Okay, I'm here. I will help you. Stay up. Look at me.
Find help. Run, but please keep talking to me.
I'm running. Can you hear me? Hold on, Ben. Help! Please! A man is in the water!
Where? Show me.
There! His name is Ben. He can't swim back.
Help! I can't hold on.
Ben! Stay up! Help is coming! Don't stop!
I'm coming. Hold on.
He's coming, Ben. Look! The surfer! Look at him!
I've got you. I've got you. Breathe.
Yes! Yes! Come back! Come back to me!
Thank you. Thank you. You didn't hang up.
No, I didn't. You're safe now.
That was close. Too close.
Here. This is your friend's phone.
Thank you. You found me. You saved my life.
Next time, stay close to the beach, Ben.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and keep practicing your English.